vocabulary: macaw, parakeet, parrot, turkey, hawk, robin, cock, pigeon, falcon, canary, blue jay, lorikeet, osprey, black swan, eagle, toucan, woodpecker, hummingbird, crow, kookaburra, lark, magpie, ostrich, flamingo, waxwing, emu, stork, heron, ibis, kingfisher, owl, penguin, vulture, starling, trogon, cockatoo, spoonbill, myna, wagtail, nightingale, robin, egret, clapperrail, loon, sandpiper, blue throat, sunbird, partridge, flycatcher, blackbird, water hen, wren, darter, monarch, warbler, nuthatch, antbird, booby, coleto, fulmar, white tern, hoatzin, kingbird, jacana, phoebe, ruff, nene. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye.